Nephron. Nephron is a structural and functional unit of kidney. Each kidney has nearly 1 million complex tubular structures called nephrons. Which are the functional units? Each nephron has two parts, the glomerulus and the renal tubule. Glomerulus is a tuft of capillaries formed by the afferent arteriole. It's a fine branch of renal artery. Blood from the glomerulus is carried away by an efferent arteriole. The renal tubule begins with a double walled cup like structure called Bowman's capsule, which encloses the glomerulus. Glomerulus, along with Bowman's capsule, is called the Malpighian body or renal corpuscle. The tubule continues further to form a highly coiled network called Proximal Convoluted Tubule or PCT. A hairpin shaped Henle loop is the next part of the tubule, which has a descending and an ascending limb. The ascending limb continues as another highly coiled tubular region called Distal Convoluted Tubule DCT. The DCTs of many nephrons open into a straight tube called collecting duct, many of which converge and open into the renal pelvis through medullary pyramids in the calyces. The Malpighian corpuscle, PCT and DCT of the nephron are situated in the cortical region of the kidney, whereas the loop of Henle's dips into the medulla. In majority of nephrons, the loop of Henle is too short and extends only very little into the medulla. Such nephrons are called cortical nephrons. In some of the nephrons, the loop of Henle is very strong and runs deep into the medulla. These nephrons are called juxtamedullary nephrons. The efferent arteriole emerging from the glomerulus forms a fine capillary network around the renal tubule called the peritubular capillaries. A minute vessel of this network runs parallel to the Henle's loop, forming U-shaped vasa recta. Vasa recta is absent or highly reduced in cortical nephrons.